Hey guys, this is Sandy and welcome back. Today's video is a meal prep video that actually shows what I bring to work on a weekly basis. This is going to show you all the meals that I prep, and for the most part, all my videos that you've seen so far have been recipe videos that shows you how to make the meal itself, but you never really see me pack them into the containers to bring to work. So what I'm showing you here is going to be enough for about 4 to 5 days of food for me, Dan, and Brandon while I'm at work. And I usually do this once a week, and lately I've been kind of setting it up here so that I can take pictures and kind of show you exactly what I get done with them. I have a couple things here that were actually leftovers that we ate yesterday, and I created meals out of them, and then things that I started from scratch. Also a few things that aren't made yet, but they are all fully prepped so that I can assemble them in the morning because sometimes they just taste more fresh that way. But to start, I have here a list. So I have here a list of the things that I'm planning on making, the actual meals themselves, and then to the side here I have the ingredients and the steps on what to do, just so I can time them all out pretty well, and that way I can save more time in the kitchen. Let's go with the breakfast items first. This one is actually not made yet, but what I have here are rice cakes, and these are really great to make. They're so versatile, you can actually use them in place of toast. But what I'm gonna do with them for this week is I'm gonna get a rice cake, and then I'm going to spread Nutella on it, and then I have some strawberries that are already washed. I'm gonna slice them up and then just lay them on top of the Nutella. I'll probably eat like 1 to 2 rice cakes for the day, and that I'll make first thing in the morning, which is really fast, like less than 5 minutes to make. Another thing that I made for breakfast is this right here. This is actually a casserole. I used croissants, and then I had added some eggs, some ham, and also some cheese, and I baked it in the oven, and it came out to be like this casserole. So I cut them into pieces, and then I have that. That is my second breakfast option here. For a snack or lunchtime, I have these kits. There's some guacamole, some Baby Bell cheese, and I have pretzels and tomatoes. This one I have the same combo, but I use wheat thins for it instead. Another meal option I have for lunch is tuna salad. So I made a little bit of tuna salad using 1 can of tuna salad with some celery, and then I used some avocado mayo for that. And for this, I was going to add it to a croissant. This, again, I will assemble probably first thing in the morning, which again is really fast. Just have to scoop it out. I would lay on some butter lettuce and maybe a slice of provolone cheese, add the tuna salad on it, and then some slices of avocado. And then I'll have a sandwich ready to go. Or I was going to use some butter lettuce and then the tuna salad and just do some lettuce cups with that. So that's another option. Another thing I made was this Alfredo. I have some spaghetti pasta with Alfredo sauce, and in it I have some green peas, some broccoli, and some mushrooms, and I have several servings of that already set aside. I don't know if you guys ever had this before. If you haven't, it is so delicious. It's from Trader Joe's. It's the orange chicken, and it is so good and so easy and quick to make. I actually made this last night for dinner just as a side, and I had some left over, so I steamed some extra broccoli, put it on a bed of white rice, and then now I have an extra 2 meals for lunch there. The next thing I made was this soy garlic chicken that I baked. I baked it in a dish, and I had several pieces, so I was able to make several meals out of that. I put it on a bed of white rice, and then probably will serve it with a side salad of the butter lettuce. And the last thing was these pork chops. So this is like a Vietnamese dish. This is a pork chop that I had already marinated and I cooked up on the grill. I made 4 pork chops actually, and they're pretty thick. This one I had left over, and I decided to just put it on a bed of rice and the lettuce leaves as well. But for the rest of them, I shredded it up, cut it really thin, and then I added some pork skin to it. And this one is, like I said, a Vietnamese dish. It's called bay, and it's really good. I have it on some vermicelli noodles for this one. I turned it into a box for this one so that I could use it as lettuce cups and do like a wrap. And then also side of fish sauce here. This is really important to keep in a closed container because it is very stinky, so you don't want that to spill at all. Using the same meat and the same noodles and the same lettuce, I made some rice paper wraps. So I have like rolls here and they are all ready to go. I put one in plastic just so that when they touch, they don't stick together, but I have those made as well. So that concludes all the meals that I have going on for the next couple of days. Like I said, it does look like a lot. However, it'll be good enough to serve all of us for the days that I'm going to be at work. And then, oh, I forgot. These are some snack packs that I have here. So I have here some Chex Mix that I put into these reusable packs. I love these packs. They're like really great for the environment. All you do is just wash them and they're Ziploc. So they have a little Ziploc at the top. And so those are really cute, but that's like a Chex Mix. And then for dessert, I made some brownies. So I got some of that also in a pack for the next couple of days as well. But anyway, that concludes everything that I have. Hopefully you guys found this video useful and you want to see more like these. If you do, please like and subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you like, what you didn't like. I probably will be doing some kind of meal prep video like this, but actually making the food itself. But in the meantime, if you want to keep seeing videos that like this, just let me know. Thanks for watching and have a monster-ific day, guys. Bye.